Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Scorpios. We'll be picking few cards, guys. This is for your daily energy, this is for your career, and this is for your relationship, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So we'll open the cards now for your daily energies. The Devil in reverse, guys. So Scorpios, with this card, I feel here that maybe for some of you all, you may be having some sickness, or you may be feeling weak, tiredness, something, guys. So something is stressing you or troubling you, causing this weakness, or it may be a physical weakness, tiredness because of some minor sickness, guys. That is what I see here. Let us see what is the card for your career. Eight of Cups. So I see here that you are walking away from your situation, or you want to walk away from your situation. Maybe the way things are going, you are not happy with it, and you just want to take a pause, just move away from the situation, guys. Maybe you are interested in something else. That is also what I see here. You don't want to go with your work today, with this work, whatever you are doing, you don't want to do that, and you want to do something else. That may also be the energy here, guys. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, Scorpios. Queen of Swords. So with that card, I feel here that maybe you are having that sense of power and authority in your relationship, guys, with this person. This person and you, you share a great understanding with each other, and this person understands you clearly. Whatever you see, whatever you feel, they clearly know, even without the words spoken. So based on their experience, they have a deep knowledge about you, guys. They know what things are with you. So they may be trying to help you today. Maybe you are feeling really stressed, and some weakness or tiredness, maybe sickness. So they are there helping you today, guys, to get over that sickness. That is what I see here, Scorpios. And they have a clear understanding. They know what you want in any situation. So they have that deep knowledge about you. That is what I see here, guys. Let us see what is the oracle's guidance. Clean it up. So sometimes in our life, guys, we keep so many things cluttering us, even in our home. Some physical clutter may be there. So things that we do not need, we need to give that up. So sometimes we may not need those things, but those things will be needed by somebody else. They will benefit from it. So you can give up those things to others to help them. So whatever is no longer needed in your house, you can make room for yourself, guys. So when you clear up every object, even the non-living things that are there, guys, that has energy, energy. So whatever things we do not use, when we give it up, it clears away that unwanted energy that is there. So even in this relationship, from time to time, we have to give up what we do not want, that past memories, hurts and arguments, whatever it is that is cluttering us, that is burdening us. We need to clean that up, guys. And even in your work situation, so whatever you need to clear up, paying bills, seeing the mails, and whatever simple things that you need to do, making the listings, getting organized, organizing your room. So you have to clear all the mess. That is what this card means. If you do that, you will prosper even more. So the opportunities whatever you are getting, you will get even more, and you will be seeing success even more with that greater potential, guys. That is what is the energy with this card. And that is the reading, guys. Scorpios, thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.